Hi lovies! Welcome back to my channel, Just Missy. I'm Missy, and today we are doing a clean and decorate with me. I have some new pieces. My husband is putting it together in the background. I'm going to be showing it to you very soon. We're going to be cleaning and organizing and redecorating a space that is kind of in between my living room and my kitchen. I'm showing you, I'm going to clip a clip in here very soon in a few seconds of the before and the reason why we're doing what we're doing, and you're going to understand because this little portion of this section of my house gets so unorganized and it looks terrible and it's such an eyesore and it just makes my space feel so closed in and cluttered. And I'm so excited to bring not only some style but some organization, and just it's going to feel so much better when it's done. But anyways, thanks so much for joining me today. I want to say hello to all of my subscribers who I call my lovies. I'm so glad that you guys are here. If you're new here, I just welcome you to subscribe. It doesn't cost anything. Just hit that subscribe button and don't forget to ring that little bell, because YouTube should alert you when I upload new videos. And we have a lot of organization, cleaning, and makeovers going on in my mobile home right now. I do mobile home living and cleaning motivation and just home style lifestyle videos. So if that interests you, I welcome you to my channel as a lovey and join the lovey tribe. And don't forget to go down into my Dropbox and check out all of my social media links. I reconnect with all of you guys there. And don't forget to say hello down in the comments either. I'm so excited that you guys are here. So let's get into this clean, organize, and makeover video. I think it's going to be really satisfying, and I think the before and after is going to be amazing. Okay, so this is the before of this space. So a couple videos back, I can link it down below, we redid my kitchen. We reorganized, decorated, and moved things. And I wanted to put my microwave over here away from my kitchen so I had more counter space. And that is our mountain of just papers that come from the mail. It's ridiculous. It's stuff that you have to keep until you're ready to shred it. But it's like, it's such an eyesore. And my microwave is on a TV stand, which I think is very unsafe. And this space is just very cluttered and is driving me absolutely crazy. So I'm going to redo some of the pictures over here on the wall. And we got a brand new hutch for over here, which is called a buffet cabinet for the microwave stand and such. So I just want to give you a really good look of the before and where we're going with it. So yeah, let's try to make this space fresh, new, and clean.
No.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, he got it all together. I'd have to say I'm okay with this. I don't like this portion. That is super unfinished and it looks a little odd to me. I might have to like touch that up compared to the whole rest of the thing. But other than that, I mean, it doesn't look that bad at all. It's pretty whitewashed and all that stuff. As far as putting it together, I don't think it was too hard for him to put together. I think it took him like 45 minutes, so it wasn't like this huge ordeal to put together. I just don't like that little bit of unfinished, like, I don't know. And you can see like where they gave you the little dots to put in there. Like, I don't understand why they didn't whitewash that either. You can see it's like pressed wood. I'm not crazy about that. So if I had to give this 5 stars, I think I would give it like a 3.5 for that. But other than that, it's very pretty. But I could probably fix that with some paint. So the next step is to get it where it belongs. So the next step in my honey to-do list is I got these mug hanging racks that go underneath the cabinet, and we're going to put them over there by our coffee pot and our tea station and such because we have so many of them, and when we unload the dishwasher, it's like impossible to get them all in there. So we bought these racks off of Amazon. He's going to hang them down below, and then I'm going to get them, you know, hung back up, and we're going to begin to clean up. As you can see, I got dishes and stuff in my sink. So I'm trying to show you what he's doing, and then I'm doing things while he's doing things, and you can't show simultaneously what we're both doing at the same time, but we are getting things done. There. Don't it look so much better already? All those papers are gone. Oh my god, it just looks so much better. And then of course I got my 3-tier tray on there, and I got to organize everything on top of the microwave, and I need to put a little bit of decorations on the 3-tier tray. As of today, I don't think I have enough to like fill the whole thing, but I think I can make it look kind of cute. So I got and then I know I'm all over the place, I'm thinking. And then I have these 2 shelves here. So I was thinking about going to get some Pioneer Woman plates maybe to put in there to make it look pretty. And then these two pictures I'm switching out. I'm switching out these 2 pictures, and then I'm putting all new decor on my shadow boxes. So that'll probably be a whole nother video where I decorate this and put stuff out, you know, switch out the pictures and everything. So it'll probably be a whole like decorate with me video, because today my husband, you know, it's over the weekend, he has off, he wanted to get it done. So I'm just going to go over there and organize the top of the microwave a little bit, and then I think I'm going to put a few little things that I do have in the 3-tier tray, but the 3-tier tray and little hutch decorate with me video will probably be out later this week, because I definitely have new pictures and little knickknacks and things that I want to put out. And I definitely got to pick up a few more things to fill that 3-tier tray, because, oh my gosh, I didn't realize how big it is. Let me pick you up. Like, this thing is massive. I did not realize it would be that big. So I definitely don't have enough to fill it. So I'm just going to put a little bit of things that I have in it. And like I said, this will probably be a whole nother video. But let's bring a little bit of organization to this. I pulled this basket out so that I can put some of the things that are on top of this. in this basket instead of having all this stuff sitting out here. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Just, it's all my husband's stuff. Just so I can bring a little organization to his crap.
You're the opposite of me, like sun and rain, and drama on the TV is full of pain. But we're the good part, the happy ending, unexpected plot twist, we always save me. We're the good part, we never fake it, even if it hurts, we always say it.
Now we're gonna put these up. I'm so excited.
We keep on telling lies. That is how we stay alive. So you know that I don't mind about what is wrong and what is right. We keep moving in different rhythms. Still I know what you feel. We keep moving in different rhythms. Two different minds telling lies. That's how we stay alive. At least we try to survive. We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds. Oh, oh, oh. Two different minds.
Okay, I was. You might have to trim a bottom of this off. That's why they got it in little cuts. See where it's kind of cut?
Wait a minute. Dad, it looks so pretty! I love it! Oh, cool! They do all kinds of cool little things. I just want twinkle. Do they twinkle?
Well,
Like a twinkle.
you tell me which one you want.
Like that. Twinkle. Yeah.
Well, why don't you go through them all and see which one you
I
want
just
first?
did, didn't you?
No.
Oh, what?
That's number 1.
Okay.
That's number 2.
Okay.
That's number 3. That's number 4. That's number 5.
Oh, I don't like that.
That's number 6. That's number 7.
Yeah, I don't like that either.
And that's number 8.
All right. I like number 1, twinkle.
Now, so you can make it brighter or you can make it dimmer.
Oh, it has dimmers?
That's what these buttons are for right here.
Oh.
Okay, see?
Oh, cool. Oh, nifty. Okay. Okay. All right, that's good. That, I like that. That's so pretty. Oh, I love it. All right, lovies, that's it for me today. My husband and I got a lot done. I really love how everything turned out. We're still going to bring some more beauty to our beautiful mobile home and make it our own. And just like I always say, whether God blesses you with a mansion or a mobile home, take care of what God has given you, and He will bless you with more. And I hope that you guys are having a wonderful day wherever you are. And remember to always take care of you. God bless. And I'll be talking to you guys very soon in the next video. Until then, guys, take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.
We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds.
You know just what to say to make it all okay. 'Cause I ain't too blind to see when you're in front of me. We keep moving.